Hey everyone, and welcome back to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I am cooking something for you today. Baking a dump cake. That's where you grab your pan and you dump a whole bunch of ingredients in a pan, and it doesn't involve things like milk or eggs. And it's a dump cake. I just love that name. Dump cakes have been around. They say the first documented dump cake was in 1980. It was found in a cookbook, and the recipe was called Blue Ribbon Dump Cake. Well, I'm gonna make a dump cake for you, and this cake involves one main ingredient, and that ingredient is this: Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm making a Cinnamon Toast Crunch peach dump cake. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It was developed by a lady named Elizabeth Track, who worked for the General Mills Company. She said she wanted to come up with a cereal because people just love cinnamon toast. And that just makes me think, I remember being a young child and saying,
"Hey Grandma, can I have some cinnamon toast?" "Oh Jimmy, I have some of your cinnamon toast right here." "Thanks Grandma." Yum.
to start, you need 3 cups of your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You put that in a baking dish. Cinnamon Toast Crunch came out in 1984. And in 1987, they had their first mascots. There were these 3 bakers, and they would sing Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And there was only one baker that had a name. His name was Wendell. Well, in 2009, they dumped them, and they came up with this new mascot, these little cinnamon squares. Do you want to know how I feel about those? On top of that cereal, I'm adding a large can of peach slices that are right in the juice. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is the #1 cereal in 51% of United States. Next, you add on some white cake mix, moist, followed by a sprinkling of oats. Cinnamon Toast Crunch has expanded on their universe by making things like peanut butter toast crunch, chocolate toast crunch, sugar cookie toast crunch, the very popular French toast crunch, and now what I just saw in the grocery store, dulce de leche toast crunch. I can't wait to try it. You cover that dump cake with a stick of butter that's been sliced up. Bake in your oven at 350 for 45 to 55 minutes. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is Taylor Swift's favorite cereal. Woohoo! The cake is complete and it looks fantastic. It looks so crispy and great. I love those peaches. But we must try it now. Ooh, it smells cinnamony, peachy good. Very buttery, very sweet. The peaches pack a punch. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch shines at the end. It's a great cake. It's a great dump cake. Well, I appreciate y'all being here at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. You know, if you want to see more of these videos, maybe even more dump cakes, subscribe to my channel. Like this video, spread the word to friends. Well, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye. What did the cake say to the fork? You want a piece of me?